Yo, what up, yo? I actually didn't expect to start stream this late. I was busy with my niece. Um, so I had to just quickly finish what I was doing and then come back. So today, let's see what we're looking at. Because we're kind of running late, we're gonna straight into it. We're gonna look for the indicator, the first indicator that we see, and then we're gonna rotate around it. Okay, tati stool. Okay, tati stool. No, Lando, listen to me. Ungavile camera. Sit here. Sit here. Please don't make me repeat myself. Anne? Yeah, thank you. Because mommy doesn't want you to fail in a camera when I'm working. Ne? I'm working now. It's a KFC. Then when you're finished, you're gonna go play a game. Anne? Hey, Lando, I said listen to me. Don't come to this camera, please. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like this thing is gonna continue going down. Thank you, Lando. I'm happy with you too, ne? I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, it looks like we might get a SAL indicator, but for now, what I would suggest doing, let's find a trend around it that will support these claims, because it's saying, I'm sorry, I was supposed to clean my charts. What's wrong, Rando?
How am I going to put this on
Rando,
the
can I
bed?
listen to me? Ne? I'm working right now.
How am I must put this on the bed?
Nansi icebe. Nansi icebe bandit. Hey, ibeke phezu kwebhedi loo nto leyo. Please, Nana. Okay, and then you can do that. Let's change that to be white. This might be a bit lower, but I can't see because of that indicator. I'm gonna keep this. This is looking good for me. Okay, we can look for it. Okay, yeah, again, and it's fine. We're gonna focus on this trend line right here. That'll be our footprint. Either our footprint or our first layer, because I'm gonna show you something real quickly. I'm noticing something. Looking for this thing to sell is actually not that bad, considering like how it broke this first layer right there. It's not that bad. It did reject over here, so maybe we'll be looking to take this thing down and break here and break somewhere there. But okay, let's just go back into frame and focus on what's happening down there, down under. Dude, person is calling me right now. Okay, let's get closer. I don't see anywhere I can kind of draw. Maybe at most if I'm fetching this trend line from over here. But like I said, here this is not a strong trend line. This is not a strong trend line because of the multiple confirmations that are around this point. Dude, this person, bruh. What should I do? Let me do that. Yeah. Okay. So this is not a strong trend line. This one right here. Because of the multiple confirmations that are there, it's kind of a bit rough to see. But yeah, because of those multiple confirmations that are there, it's not a strong trend line and it's been broken here. So that would give us an idea that this thing is going to go up, right? So yeah, right now the only reason I see this thing selling is chasing this point here, but we'd be chasing this and looking to go back up. We'd either be chasing that to look to go back up, or yeah, because really, yeah, I think long term this thing is going to definitely go back up. It looks like it's definitely going to go back up, right? So let's get closer. Let's see what the 15-minute is telling us. Let's see what the 15-minute is telling us. So seems like there's this price interest of price action right here. and then dude, this person better chill, bro. I'm not even joking.
Don't know.
Because I don't want to decline that call, so let me just do that. Okay. Might form a 3. I think the best thing that we can probably do, honestly speaking, the best thing that we can probably do for this trade, I'm going to look for confirmations here and here, and then if it forms, like if it keeps channeling between these price up right here and right here, we're going to look for entries down here or an entry up here. That's the best thing you can do. That's the best thing you could do. But right now, let's get a bit closer. Let's go to the 5-minute, because I think there should be an indicator on the 1-minute right now that's telling us to sell. And if we're going to be selling, I think we should focus on selling at least up until here. I don't know if it'll go lower. I'm not really quite certain. I really don't know if it'll go lower, but for me personally, it looks like it's going to go up. Maybe this is just a short-term sell until at this point. Because also, again, this angle is not that steep. It's not as steep as this one. So whatever's going to happen here is not going to have a lot of momentum. Whatever's going to happen, if it does break here, it won't have a lot of momentum. This is too steep. The angle of this trend line is it's not too steep. It's not steep. I don't know if you want to view place. Okay, please relax, bro. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the 1-minute. Let's go to the 1-minute, because I'm just seeing a sell right now, bro. I'm just seeing a sell right now. We might even just have missed an opportunity to sell. We can go right here. Okay, we can go right there. If this is like, if we have clear indicators here at the top, that's also a clear indicator. If we have clear indicators and no multiple, then this is going to definitely be a sell. Okay, this was right here. Okay, so because of this, the probability has just decreased a bit. Let me show you why. It's a bit off from where I thought it would be. It's a bit off from where I thought it would be. Right, you see, now we have these double. No, this thing is definitely gonna go back up. This thing is gonna go back up. I love you too, Lendo. I'm busy now. Oh, this thing is definitely gonna go back up because of those. Because of that right there. It really might sell. Looks like it really might sell, but I'd really say anticipate this thing to go up because of this. Because of those two indicators right there. It really might go back. It really might go back up. You see, had I only gotten one confirmation right here, it would have just continued going down. It would have increased the strength, the probability of this sell. But because of that, I'm anticipating to take this thing up. So for now, I'm gonna wait. I think for now I'm going to. Okay, I'm anticipating to take this thing back up. You see, like here we had here. When this happens, I should always follow the strategy. Market fills gap. Okay, no, it's not that one. Strategy is.
I pretty much follow the rules.
Yes, Randall, you're very right. Né? If indicator forms a square, okay, no, that's 3. Consider the strategy entry more than the 1630 entry. So what I'm seeing right here, it's about to give us a bullish confirmation. When we get this bullish, because of this not being a strong Because usually when it's like this, right, when we have these two indicators like this, it means we had one indicator here. This indicator should have held and sold, right, but it didn't. It sold a bit, but then as you can see, it went back up. Then it formed another indicator here. So this means this whole trend line has the probability of retesting each indicator below it, right? This happened last week Monday. The same thing happened last week Monday. So because of that, that's why I think this won't hold. That's why I think this trend line won't hold. That's why I think this trend line won't hold. So I'm gonna tell you guys two things. Let's put in entries right here. Let's take this thing long. Let's take this thing long. Thank you. I love you now. Because that is only 8 points, we'll do that. And then that's the first thing that we'll do. From Sunday's trading plan, right? And I made a mistake and named this live trading plan. But from Sunday's trading plan, I realized that the pre at my stop is increasing my. Am I not just increasing the risk, right? The reason why I'm not increasing the risk is because psychology wise, once you lose a trade, you will want to go back into a trade. So if that one trade is like 16 points, you're just gonna go back again and risk another 16 points. I hope you kind of grasp the psychology behind it. So because both trades are only a risk of 8 points, it's a lot different from a trade that risks 16 points on two different trades. I don't know if that kind of makes sense to you, but leave it, bro. Leave it. We're not that desperate, bro. The chart will still be here tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll still kill this thing. There's the same concept. 100%. This is our TP1. This is our TP1 for those who like to keep it safe, because this is probably going to be like a 1 to 3 or something like that. Going to be a 1 to 3. It's a 1 to 2. It's not that bad, right? Let's go a bit higher for people who know what they're looking for. For us who know what we are looking for, let's go higher. 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 Brandon, where's your tablet?
It's flat. The garbage charger's foot is not there.
Be like right here. But no, that's too close. Because if this breaks here, we're going to have a surge of momentum here. So this can't be our TP. Our TP has to be a lot higher than that. Luendo mana auva kantwene. How? So we're going to so we can have, this is just the thingy, the disadvantage of streaming on my mobile device. I think it was here, right? No? Oh, it's a lot higher. Okay, let's go. It's the next red one. I'm proud of you now. That will be our second big profit. To avoid over analyzing, I am going to go off stream, but this is it right here. Like I said, this is our first entry, this is our second entry, and the reasons for this is because of this weak trend line right here, right? Because of this weak trend line right here, based off but also not only just that, what other reason can we look for? Yeah, no. I think for today, this is what the market is telling me for today. This is what the market is telling me. Okay. Yeah. Now, the last thing after doing all of this, once the work is done, is for you to realize and know your purpose within this whole gold thing, and tell yourself and know your place within this whole gold thing. Remember, this world is just around. You need to know what you. Okay, it might seem like I'm yapping, and I hope I'm not yapping. You need to now put yourself. You need to now shift yourself from. When you're living day to day, doing groceries, your energy, you shift that. You put your energy into this market and tell yourself and know and feel that this is gonna work out. Because if you don't feel it in your heart first, and if you have doubts, it will manifest into your life.
Don't do
If
that.
you have doubts, it will manifest into your life. That's what I'm telling you, bro. I am gonna kill this. I am going to. You guys are not ready for what I'm gonna do to gold. No one is ready for what I'm about to do to gold. But anyway, man, I'm glad you guys have been with me through this journey, bro. I'm so happy that in the point where I am right now, I got here with you guys watching, bro. I started streaming I started streaming 9 months ago, but I think I only started streaming the MMC like 6 months ago. But trust me when I'm telling you that I am gonna show Xauusd flames. I'm in that energy, man. Yo, let me leave y'all. Yeah.